Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to recover deleted iPhone text messages using iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer using an appropriate cable. Your iPhone may ask you to unlock it. If it does, go ahead and do so. Step 2. If iTunes does not open automatically, open iTunes on your computer manually. Step 3. To find your iPhone in iTunes, look for a small icon for your iPhone just below and to the right of the play button. Select it. If you have more than one connected device, select iPhone from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the backup section on the right side of the summary screen, you should see options to manually backup and restore your iPhone along with date and method of your most recent backup. Select restore backup to proceed. Step 5. The most recent backup replaces all the data on your phone. The process takes a while. You should see your missing text messages if your most recent backup took place before they were deleted. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.